I'm Fulufhelo Nageli, and I'm tackling credential fraud in South Africa's education and employment sectors. Fake qualifications undermine trust in our education system, while employers spend significant time and resources trying to verify certificates through manual processes. Traditional paper certificates can be easily forged, and verification often requires lengthy phone calls and document exchanges. This creates barriers for legitimate graduates and increasing hiring risks for employers. CertyFile creates tamper-proof digital credentials using blockchain technology. Educational institutions issue certificates directly onto blockchain, creating immutable records that employers can verify instantly. Each certificate receives a unique cryptographic signature that proves authenticity, while students maintain permanent ownership of their verified credentials. The system eliminates manual verification processes and provides instant, trustworthy credential confirmation. I'm assisting CertyFile as a university registrar to demonstrate the certificate issuance process. The registrar creates a new digital certificate with all required institutional branding and student information, preparing it for permanent blockchain storage. Once it says start, it's going to say send an image containing a QR code, and it will check its data against their records, right? And then we'll submit a picture. Just wait. Then the picture is submitted. It processes, gives us back feedback. The feedback could either state that it's invalid or valid. As I'd already mentioned what the functionality of this platform is. Right now you can see that the QR code data is invalid. We are going to give it another shot. We're going to go back to the menu, prompt it to start, upload our second picture, which will be John Doe's certificate. It will then return then it says QR code valid to show that this certificate, however, is valid. Okay, so however, the first application that I showed you guys in this demo platform was in English. This is just to show you guys this does not only suit those that prefer English, but suits every person in the South African country because it has all the 11 official languages. How to switch is that you prompt your menu button and then it will give you multiple options, and then you'll see one it says change to your preferred language, right? I'm going to change it into Venda because, well, I'm Venda, and then it'll respond, and as you can see it gives you multiple languages to choose from. So now the prompts it was giving me prior in the other application is gonna give me, but just in Venda, as you can see, channel and so forth, still the same thing, just translated into Venda. Fine. Then I submitted it, provided my response, and so forth. It's still the same response it had provided in the other video. Now, if you want to find out more about the bot, or even just find out how to use the bot, there is a prompt that you can go for on your menu, ask for help, and it will provide you step by step on what to do with regards to the bot and how you get to the point of which you can validate your certificate, as you can see. Then to see more about the bot, then you just click on about, then it will say CertyFile yo fhaṱwa UJ blockchain unethusa unetukisa certificate nga nḓila yo tsireledzaho na ine ya shuma zwavhuḓi nga u shumisa blockchain na zwipiḓa zwa tsireledzo. Yo fhaṱwa nga UJ blockchain. You can see fluent in Venda, fluent in all the other languages, I can assure you that. Traditional paper certificates create verification challenges because they can be copied, forged, or lost. CertyFile uses blockchain to create unique digital fingerprints for each certificate that are mathematically impossible to replicate. When we issue a certificate, we generate a cryptographic hash that's permanently stored on blockchain. This creates a verification system where employers anywhere can instantly confirm authenticity without relying on manual processes or trusting paper documents. CertyFile addresses the credential verification challenges facing educational institutions and employers across South Africa and globally. Our solution demonstrates how blockchain technology can restore trust in digital credentials while dramatically improving verification efficiency. For stakeholders interested in education technology solutions that enhance credential integrity, CertyFile provides a practical implementation of blockchain for digital certificate management.